Part 12. Positivities Criminology, an approach that emphasize the role of factors such as biology, psychology, and social environment in influence criminal behavior. Number 13, social disor, disor, disorganization theory. A theory that suggests crime occurs in, in communities with wicked social institution and norms. Number 14, strain theory. A theory that explains crimes as a result of individual experience, strain, or pressure form. Potential, social expectation, and having limited means to achieve goals. Number 15, leveling theory. A perspective that suggests that individuals become criminals when they are labeled as such by security and internalize that label. Number 16, routine activities theory. A theory that crimes occurs when there is a subable target, motivate of offender, and a lack of capable guardianship. Number 17, biological theories that explore how genetic and psychological factors may predispose individuals to criminal behavior. Number 18, psychological theories that focus on individual psychological traits and mental health issues as explanation for criminal behavior. Number 19, conflict theory, a perspective that view crimes as a result of conflict between different social groups, particularly those related to inequality and power.